Book purchase for cash. That means, so you have purchased the book kinyo timarle. So real account final. So real account you have learned, personal account you have learned, nominal account you have learned. So what comes in is what? All the expenses is what? So it is a debit. What comes in? Debit. What goes out? Credit. Okay. So what comes in? That means this is the expenses. That means it is coming inside you. Okay, inside your organization. Otherwise, you can remember one thing. Purchase, it will be in debit side. Sales, it will be in the credit side. Okay. Purchase debit मा हुन्छ, sales भनेको credit मा हुन्छ, तलपट्टि हुन्छ. Okay. So purchase account. So where will you write down? So purchase account. So you have purchase book over here. So के लेख्ने त्यसलाई? Book account लेख्ने हैन. यसलाई के लेख्ने अरे? कि त stationery account लेख्ने कि त purchase account लेख्ने. So let us write down purchase account. Okay. Dot dr. So how much rupees you have purchased? You have purchased for rupees 4,000 rupees. Okay. So 4,000 रुपैयाँको लिएर आयो अरे. So त्यसको लागि के किन्यो तिमीले? के तिर्यौ? Cash तिर्यौ अरे. Okay. So to cash, what goes out? Purchase के गर्यो? पैसा त गयो. Okay. So book आयो, debit. Cash गयो, credit. What comes in? Debit. What goes out? Credit. Right? So to cash account. So it is going out because book त किनेछ, पैसा तिमीले तिर्दैछ. Just imagine. Book किन्यो. Okay. So cash तिर्यो. So गयो, credit. आयो, debit. Right? So 4,000 is the credit. Okay. So what you need to mention over here? तलपट्टि के मेन्सन गर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि, so book purchase for cash means you need to write down being book purchased for cash. Okay. But okay, so instead of cash, if there was mentioned the name of the person, Mr. Rahul are, okay, book purchase from Rahul भनेर लेख्छ अरे. अथवा यता हैन, book purchase from Anthony. यसरी मान्छेको नाम, बिरबलको नाम यसरी लेखेको छ भने चाहिँ, so what you need to write down? You need to think that this is credit account. Okay, credit भनेको बाँकीमा लगेको छ, क्याशमा होइन, बाँकीमा लगेको छ. मान्छेको नाम छ भने it is the credit account. That means you need to write down the name of the person. तिनीहरुलाई तिर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ पछि गएर. Okay, so book sold to Birbal. So there is no cash mentioned over here. Book sold to Birbal on cash. Okay, so cash मा तिरेको छ. Okay, भन्छ भने चाहिँ that is for cash. Cash मा तिरेको छ. तर here there is nothing mentioned over here. Okay, so cash मा तिरो भने छैन. If the name of the person is mentioned, then you need to think that this is the credit account. बाँकीमा लिएर आएको, बाँकीमा किनेको, बाँकीमा बेचेको. Okay, so that's why. So that will be a so personal account. So personal account मा तिमीले मान्छेको नाम नै लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. That means बिरबलको नाममा बिरबलको खातामा लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Okay, so यसलाई तिर्नु पर्ने, यसलाई लिनु पर्ने भनेर लेखेको हुन्छ. Okay. Okay, so let me forward number 12. So book sold, I told you just before also, purchase माथि लेख्ने, sold sales तल लेख्ने है. So नभए अर्को तरिकाले कसरी याद गर्ने भन्दा book sold for 3,000. Book sold for 3,000. यता क्याश भनेर पनि मेन्सन गरेको छैन, मान्छेको नाम पनि मेन्सन गरेको छैन. If मान्छेको नाम मेन्सन गरेको छैन भने this is done for cash only. क्याशमै किनेर आएको तिमीहरुले. Okay, क्याशमै बेचेको तिमीहरुले. Okay, so when you sell it, okay, so suppose you are the pasale, you are selling iPhone. So if you are selling iPhone to Rahul, suppose Rahul is the name of the person, any person. So if you are selling iPhone to Rahul, that means तिमीहरुले के पठायो तिमीहरुले? What goes out? Mobile. What comes in? के आयो त तिमीहरुलाई? Cash is coming in. So Rahul is giving you money. That means 1 lakh rupees he is giving to you. That means cash is coming to you. And what is going? So mobile is going out. Okay. So what comes in? Cash is coming in. So what is going out? Mobile is going out. So what comes in like the ke भन्ने? Debit. Okay. So we call it debit. Okay. So debit so we mention as the what comes in and what goes out. के गयो त? Mobile is going out. Okay. Machinery things are going out. Okay, so that's why so we will mention as mobile account or is the sales account. Okay, यसरी हामी मेन्सन गर्छौं ल हेर्नु त के गर्ने त यसलाई भन्दाखेरि बुक सोल्ड फर 3000 ओके सोल्ड भयो मान्छेको नाम छैन त्यही भएर मान्छेको नाम नलेखौं ओके सो इट इज डन इन द क्याश सो सोल्ड गर्यो भनेपछि when you sell something what is coming in cash is coming in साग बेच्दैछौ तिमीले के आयो तिमीलाई पैसा आयो that means what is coming in cash that means what in write sales भएको बेलामा cash लाई माथि लेख्ने so cash account ... dr how much rupees 3000 rupees okay so what is going out book is going out that means so to stationery लेख्नेलाई book account हैन to stationery account लेख्दा नि भयो otherwise यो सेल गरेको okay that means sold भनेको sell okay that means to sales account लेख्दा नि हुन्छ okay so to sales account so कति रुपैयाँको सेल गर्यो त्यही 3000 को है so 3000 को बुक सेल गर्यो 3000 को बुक को पैसा पनि तिमीले पायो 3000 rupees okay so being book sold for cash are you understanding or not purchase means किन्यौ तिमीहरुसँग आयो तिमीहरुको कम्पनी छ कम्पनीमा बुक आयो what comes in debit what goes out that means if you have purchased then you have given the money okay पैसा गयो it is credit okay so in the same way so in your company so you are selling something what goes out sale is going out okay out like के भन्छ credit what comes in cash is coming in because when you sell something पैसा आयो okay पैसा is coming to your company so that is the debit for you okay okay let me go to the next number 25 number so book sold to Birbal for rupees 10,000 okay book sold to Birbal for rupees 10,000 so के गर्ने त okay so sale कहाँ लेख्ने अरे तलपट्टि लेख्ने purchase कहाँ लेख्ने मास्तिर लेख्ने है so book sold to Birbal for rupees is there anything mentioned like cash मा बेच्यो credit मा बेच्यो छ छैन credit भनेको बाँकी है so cash मा तिरेको कतै लेखेको छ छैन so मान्छेको नाम मेन्सन गरे भने त के लेख्ने भनेथे मैले क्याश नलेख्ने यो मान्छेको नाममै चढाउनु पर्छ this type of account is called personal account यसले बाँकीमा लगेको छ बाँकीमा बेचेको छ बाँकीमा किनेको छ okay so यसको खातामा चढाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ suppose you are the kirane pasal you have taken baki okay so if I have taken baki in your dokan then what you will do Samir okay so chauchau 10 प्याकेट लग्यो बाकीमा भनेर लेख्छ तिमीहरु क्याशमा तिरेको हैन नि त क्याशमा तिरेको त खुत्रु गाँटो के हाल त सक्यो okay but I have taken it credit पछि सम्झोस् भनेर so they will write down my खाता is there my name is there and you write down my name okay 10 वटा प्याकेट चौचौ लगे 200 रुपैयाँ भनेर लेखेर राखेको हुन्छ okay so book sold to Birbal भनेपछि यो क्रेडिट अकाउन्ट हो है so sales कहाँ लेख्छ रे मुनि लेख्छ okay क्याश माथि लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्थ्यो तर यता क्याश हैन so क्रेडिट अकाउन्ट हो so के लेख्ने मान्छेको नाम लेख्ने what is the name of the person Birbal okay Birbal लाई माथि लेखौं Birbal account .dr okay so sales भनेको बाहिर जाने हो okay so what goes out it is the credit okay what comes in that means Birbal को खाता okay so Birbal ले त पायो नि त okay so that's why so what in writer Birbal account Birbal ले त पछि के गर्नु पर्छ he need to pay okay so 10,000 रुपैयाँ को जुन सामान लगेछ भर्खर so he need to pay afterwards okay understood or not so if cash मा लगेको छ नि cash account लेख्ने if मान्छेको नाम छ नि मान्छेको नाम लेख्ने okay so next number 30 that means Shravan 30 मा के गरेछ अरे भन्दाखेरि book purchase from Anthony for rupees 20,000 cash फेरि भनेन okay so if cash is not mentioned then what you need to think that is a credit account again अब हामीले क्याश को ठाउँमा के लेख्नु पर्यो मान्छेको नाम लेख्नु पर्यो पर्चेस त कहाँ लेख्नु पर्छ रे माथि के तल पर्चेस माथि पहिला पी आउँछ क्याश आउँछ सेल्स आउँछ कि पर्चेस आउँछ पर्चेस आउँछ सो पर्चेसलाई माथि लेख्ने सेल्सलाई तल लेख्ने पर्चेस भनेको माथि ओके सो सेल्स भनेको तल क्रेडिटमा तल क्रेडिट ओके तल 2 भनेछ नि यो क्रेडिट हो डीआर भन्छ नि यो डेबिट हो ओके सो डेबिटमा के लेख्ने पर्चेस सेल्स चाहिँ केमा लेख्ने sales must be written in the credit side okay sales must be written in the credit side sales credit side so here he is also purchasing, that is purchase account ka lekhnu paryo debit ma. Okay, so purchase account how much? Purchase account dr how much? 20,000. Purchase account dr 20,000. And so is he paying something? Anthony, did he pay something? No. That means our Anthony ko khata ma chadaidim. So to Anthony account, how much he has to pay? 20,000 rupees. Okay, so 20,000 rupees यसको नाममा बाँकी भनेर लेख्छौ तिमीहरु. एन्थनीले तिरेको छैन है, यो नतिरिकन यसलाई भाग्नु दिनु हुँदैन भनेर लेख्छौ तिमीहरु. Okay, to Anthony account. Okay, now so what you will mention over here? So being book purchased, okay, from Anthony. यो क्याश मा लेखेको हो त हैन, क्रेडिट मा लेखेको, on credit. Okay, मान्छेको नाम छ भने on credit भनेर लेख्दिने. So book sold to Birbal, पैसामा किनेको हैन, छैन, क्याश कतै बने छैन. That means you need to mention as credit. Okay, so book sold to Birbal on credit. Book sold to Birbal on credit. Okay, so after that you need to add all this number, you need to add all this amount, you'll get 37,000 in both the sides. Okay, so here it is written that if the person's name, okay, so person name is mentioned instead of cash, that it then sorry, so then it is credit transaction. Okay, then it is a credit transaction and the person's name must be mentioned. Okay, so instead of cash lekhnu छ भने के लेख्ने अरे, मान्छेको नाम लेख्ने. Okay, so that I have already explained you. Please write on the notes also at the side. Okay, so is there any problem? Please ask me if there is any problem in this question. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, everything clear? Shall I go to the next number?
Yes, sir.
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 Let me go to the next number. Okay, so I can just teach you number 3 only today. Copy. Okay, then thug. Number 3. Okay, let me go to question number 3 now. So in question number 3, it is mentioned that it is from Namaskar. Okay, so number 3, classwork number 3. So if I am teaching you question number 2, then classwork number 2, then think that homework number 2 is my homework. Homework number 2. Okay, so classwork 2 सक्यो भने homework 2. They are same. Okay, they are almost same, similar. So number 3 सिकायो भने 3 पनि homework हो भने सम्झिँदा हुन्छ. Okay, 3 छ भने 4 गर्ने हैन, 3 सम्म नै गर्ने. ल, so they are almost same. So one, the teacher must teach you, and the next number the student must do it themselves for their practice. La? So keep on doing it. So wrong चाहिँ नगरौँ है. ल ल, number 3 हेरौँ त. So in question number 3, it is mentioned that Namaskar Trading Center performed the following transaction during a week. Okay, so यो हप्ताभरिमा यस्तो खालको transaction भएको रहेछ. So ABCD is given instead of the date. Okay, date को ठाउँमा यस्तो खालको number दिएको छ. So how will you do it then? Okay, so instead of writing the number, that means writing the date, you write on the number ABCD, you write on the ABCD. Okay, so के गरौँ त भन्दाखेरि, so ABCD यसरी लेख्नु पर्यो date को ठाउँमा. Then okay, so good purchase from Hello Trading Center. Okay, so again here we can see there is no any cash mentioned. Cash लेखेको छैन. Okay, goods भनेछ, goods purchase, goods sold, goods return, purchase sold. Okay, so sold, sales return. So what shall we do? Purchase त कहाँ लेख्ने अरे, डेबिट मा कि क्रेडिट मा? Just tell me. Purchase must be written in purchase माथि कि तल
Mathi.
Mathi means debit. So sales must be written in debit or credit?
Down.
Down means credit. Okay, so purchase means debit, credit means so sales means credit. Okay, so okay, so number 3 Anita. Namaskar Trading Center perform the following transaction during a week. Okay, so good purchase from Hello Trading Center for 15,000. So there is no any cash mentioned. That means you can credit my reason. So मान्छेको नाम नभए कम्पनीको नाम लेख्नु पर्यो. Okay, so यहाँ मान्छेको नाम छैन कम्पनीको नाम छ. So we need to mention the company's name. Okay, so यता कसरी लेख्ने त purchase भनेछ. That means purchase account लेख्ने. माथि कि तल मास्तिर. So purchase. Okay, so where is it? So purchase account .dr. Okay, purchase account dr. So 2 what shall we write down? So कसले लगेको त क्याश मा लगेको हैन क्याश कतै छैन क्याश त लेखेकै छैन बाबा. Okay, so there is no any cash written over there. So what is written instead of cash? There is a name of the company written. Hello Trading Center. Hello. Okay, so Trading Center. So यसरी नाम लेखेको छ. Okay, Ragita. So Hello Trading Center mention गरेको छ. So let us write down the name of the company. So to Hello Trading Center माथि purchase लेख्छौ भने तलपट्टि Hello Trading Center को नाम लेख्दियौ because it is in the credit transaction. So purchase भनेको त किनेको. What comes in credit debit, isn't it? Purchase means किनेको means coming. Okay, so it is coming inside your company. So what comes in? It is the debit. Sales भनेको बेचेको. That means it is going out. If it is going out, then what do you call it? We call it credit. Right? So remember in that way. Okay, so once wait a minute, let me take a attendance. Okay, let me take a attendance. Let me click a photo. Okay, attendance so that I can give you the marks afterwards. Okay, what is the date today? Date is it 28?
27.
27.
27.
27 by 7. Okay. Okay, so this is the attendance I have done it. हेरौँ त अब के गर्ने अब क्या पुग्यो. So goods purchased from Hello Center. Okay, so Hello Center is the year. Okay, so good purchase from Hello Center. That means purchase लाई माथि लेखौं, Hello Center लाई तल लेखौं. Cash भएको है cash account लेख्नु पर्छ, to cash account DR लेख्नु पर्थ्यो. Okay, so to cash account लेख्नु पर्थ्यो. But here there is to Hello Trading Center because it is done in the credit. Okay, credit मा लगेको रहेछ, बाकीमा लगेको छ. Cash भनेर दिएको छैन, कम्पनीको नाम दिएको छ. Okay, so cash mention छैन भने कहिलेकाहीँ cash पनि लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. कुन बेला जब मान्छेको नाम दिएको हुँदैन, कम्पनीको नाम दिएको हुँदैन. But here cash भनेर दिएको छैन, कम्पनीको नाम, मान्छेको नाम दिएको छ भने चाहिँ यो चाहिँ क्रेडिट हो है, बाकीमा लगेको रहेछ है यसले भनेर you need to remember. So purchase लाई हतापता माथि लेखिहाल्ने. Purchase account .tr to कसले लगेको Hello Trading Center. Okay, account. So how much he has taken? Okay, that company has taken. So he has bought so 15,000. So 15,000 यता पनि लेखौं, credit मा लेखौं 15,000. So के लेख्ने त, के mention गर्ने त? Okay, so what you need to mention? Being, you need to write down in the past tense. Hey, I'm saying you again and again. Write down in the past tense. Okay, past participle form. Okay, so being good, goods भनेको सामान, good भनेको फेरि ए very good भनेको हैन नि, एउटा good भनेको good, goods भनेको चाहिँ very good भनेको चाहिँ हैन है, goods भनेको सामान. So goods purchase means being good, being goods purchased from Hello Trading Center. Is it on cash? No, it is on credit. Okay, on credit. बाकीमा लगेको रहेछ. किन यसलाई क्रेडिट भने त? Because cash भनेर दिनु पर्ने हुन्छ. Cash भएको भए मान्छेको नाम नभए कम्पनीको नाम दिएको छ, क्याश भनेर कतै दिएको छैन भने यो क्रेडिटमा लगेको बाँकीमा लगेको हो है so remembering that way so next number B also let us see so good sold to buy oh my god buy trading center buy trading center so buy trading center for 6,000 rupees 6,000 so what shall we do okay so buy company buy trading center लाई के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि यसरी गरौँ अब sold भने कहाँ लेखिन्छ माथि कि तल तल लेखिन्छ sales लाई तल लेख्ने that means who is taking it okay so यो फेरि क्याश मा लगेको त क्याश भन्ने कहाँ लेख्यो लेखिएन पैसा चाहिँ दिएको छ तर क्याश अन क्याश भनेर कता लेखेको छैन यता हेर्ने त माथि with cash भनेर लेखेछ okay so book purchase for cash भनेर लेखेछ हो यसरी लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ क्याश भनेर लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ but here क्याश भनेर कतै लेखेको छैन कम्पनीको नाम दिएको छ means this is in the credit now it's a credit transaction हो okay so sales लाई मुनि लेख्ने buy trading center लाई चाहिँ माथि लेख्ने that means debit मा लेख्ने so के लेख्नु buy trading center account .dr okay तिमीहरुको पुचुङ्ग्रे कपी चाहिँ नचलाऊ है for accounts it must be little bit of big size normal size चाहिँ चलाउँदा हुन्छ if possible you can use a long copy also तर पुचुङ्ग्रे okay so मोटो पतलु वाला कपी चाहिँ नचलाऊ that type of small copies are not allowed right okay so then after that dr it is of 6,000 okay so it was sales account so we need to write down to sales account you need to keep little bit gap whenever you are doing it to sales account 6,000 so के लेख्ने त mention के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि being goods sold to कता buy trading center so is it on cash or credit on credit okay so पैसामा हैन यो त क्रेडिटमा बाँकीमा लिएर आको हो okay ल हेरौं अर्को नम्बर सी मा हेर्ने so goods return to hello trading center goods return भयो okay goods return भने के हो त okay so कहिलेकाहीँ suppose you are in the big company so के गर्यो भन्दाखेरि तिमीहरुले कसैलाई बेच्छौ सामानहरु बेच्छौ okay so कुनै कुराहरु डेट एक्सपायर भइरहेको हुन्छ so what you will do you will return that thing back side okay so you will return that back that means purchase गरेको छौ तिमीले फिर्ता दियौ भने त्यसलाई भन्छ purchase return भन्छ त्यसलाई okay I bought something okay तिमीले हिजो भर्खर तिमीले जुत्ता किनेर आको तर त्यहाँ जुत्ताको मुनि त के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि अलिकति डिफेक्ट रहेछ okay मम्मीको लागि किनेर ल्याएको सरप्राइज गिफ्ट लिएर आको तर मम्मीको खुट्टामै अटेन what you will do purchase return that means किनेको कुरालाई फिर्ता दिनुलाई what we call it purchase return okay so म दोकानी हो मैले आज सेल गरे okay 2000 को रुपैयाँ 2000 को सामान सेल गरे तर I cannot be happy भोलि पर्सितिर आउनु पनि सक्छ सेललाई रिटर्न गर्नको लागि so त्यसलाई भन्छ सेल्स रिटर्न okay so मैले 2000 रुपैयाँमा चप्पल बेचेको थिए तर so भोलि पल्ट त्यो मान्छेले दाइ यो सामानै भएन भन्छ भने so what we call it sales return okay सेल जुन सेल गरिसकेको सामान छ त्यो फिर्ता आउनलाई we call it sales return okay so अब कसरी बुझ्ने त यहाँ सेल्स रिटर्न पर्चेस रिटर्न त कतै बन्ने छैन गुड रिटर्न टु okay return to that means हामीले चाहिँ दिएको रहेछौं so हामीले चाहिँ दिएको रहेछौं so पर्चेस गरेको थियौ पर्चेस गरेको सामान चाहिँ फिर्ता दिँदै रहेछौं हामीले टु भनेको so टु भनेपछि जसलाई दिएको छ त्यसलाई त टु भन्छ नि हैन त अनि बाइ भनेको छ भने अरूले चाहिँ हामीलाई दिएको that means हामीलाई आउँदैछ means it is the sales return okay this is the purchase return number C is the purchase return so purchase हामी माथि लेख्छौं भने purchase return चाहिँ कहाँ लेख्छौं तलतिर लेख्छौं ठीक उल्टो है sales we used to write at the bottom that means credit मा लेख्थ्यौ भने sales return चाहिँ हामी माथितिर लेख्छौं ठीक उल्टो है so look at here so goods returned that means it is the purchase return लेख्ने so के लेख्ने purchase return तलपट्टि लेख्ने फेरि यो क्याश भन्ने कतै दिएको छ छैन so company को नाम लेख्ने hello center company okay so hello center company account .dr to so के गरे हामीले भर्खर रिटर्न मा लेखेको छौं that means purchase return हो भने क्रेडिट मा लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ to purchase return account है So bracket में लेखौं being goods returned to yellow trading center. Okay, कति रुपैयाँ फिर्ता आयो? Okay, कति रुपैयाँ हामीले फिर्ता दियौं? That means कति रुपैयाँको सामान फिर्ता दियौं? 500 को. That means 500 रुपैयाँको सामान चाहिँ डिफेक्ट आएको रहेछ, हामीले फिर्ता दियौं. ल. Okay, so next one, goods returned by. That means कसैले हामीलाई चाहिँ दिएको रहेछ. हामीलाई दिएको भनेपछि हामीले बेचिसकेको कुरा हामीलाई फेरि फिर्ता आउँदैछ. बाई कसैले हामीलाई दिनु भने के हो त? फिर्ता आएको नि त, हैन? सो हामीलाई चाहिँ दिँदैछ. सेल्स गरिसकेको सामान चाहिँ फिर्ता आउँदैछ. That we call it sales return. So सेल्स कहाँ लेख्थ्यौं हामी? तल लेख्थ्यौं. ओके, तल लेख्थ्यौं. तर सेल्स रिटर्न चाहिँ कहाँ लेख्ने? मास्तिर लेख्ने. ओके, सो मास्तिर लेख्ने. सो के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि सो सेल्स रिटर्न चाहिँ मास्तिर लेख्ने. सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउन्ट .dr 2. ओके, सो 2 के लेख्ने त भन्दाखेरि 2 बाई ट्रेडिङ अकाउन्ट. Okay, so buy trading center account to buy trading center account. Are you understanding or not? So sales must be written down. That means credit ma. One sales return, it must be written in the debit side. Sales return which must be written in the debit side. Okay, so how much money he has bought? He has returned. Okay, so 300 rupees. So 300. Then after that, you need to mention over here. So being goods returned by trading center. Okay, on credit. Otherwise, if you want to mention on credit, you can mention on credit also, no problem. Then after that, just you need to add all these numbers and you get the answer. Okay, so single line at the top, double line at the bottom. In this way, we will solve our answer. Any problem, Nanyo? Babu? Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, so B number चाहिँ बुझिन मैले, C number चाहिँ बुझिन. Is there anything like that? So can you explain number C again, number D again? Is there anything like that? You can ask. Just 1 minute is left. Okay, so 2 minutes is left. 1 minute 30 seconds. Anything?
No, sir.
Okay, then this much for today. So now up to number 3, homework number 3. Okay, so you need to do that as your homework. Be safe. No pateka. Okay, so be safe. Okay, no bailo also, no grouping, no groupism. अनि सेफ भएर गरौँ, भाइटिका मनाऊ. ओके, म पूजा फियर नेवार म पूजा मनाऊ, लक्ष्मी पूजा मनाऊ. ओके, सो घरमै मनाउने, नो पटेका सटेका. ओके, सो डु नट गिभ योर प्यारेन्ट्स बर्डन. सो मलाई पटेका चाहियो, बम चाहियो भनेर टेन्सन नदिनु आमा बुवालाई. Okay, so they are having a bad times because of this one, corona and all. So this much for today. Bye. Take care. Happy TR inside. Happy TR inside. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.